My name is Luke, and I designed and built this tiny home. This is not your usual trailer camper or tiny home. I bought the flatbed trailer, which is a 5 foot by 11 foot base, and worked on the design from there up. So the interior is slightly smaller once you take away the footprint of the walls. I designed the height to be 4 foot tall at the front and 6 foot at the back, just enough space to stand up inside. I had originally wanted to put in 2 windows, one on each side, for airflow and for seeing the view out both sides, but because of the cost of windows and I couldn't find a small enough one used, I had to only go with one on one side. I chose to use cedar shakes as exterior cladding. I've always loved cedar, and I think the shakes look great. It's a durable and long-lasting wood, and you can even smell it when it rains. It smells fantastic. And so that's why I went with cedar. It's a metal roof. I wanted to use something long-lasting and durable again on the roof. It's actually reclaimed metal from a construction site. It was just going to be thrown away for scrap, and I asked if I could have it, and they said yes, so that's when I installed the metal roof for the first time. And it doesn't leak, it works great. And on top of that, I like the way it sounds with a little bit of rain on the roof at night. It's kind of soothing actually, so. Maximizing the function of this tiny area in between the door and the bed is pretty important. So that's why the table folds flat against the wall. It was designed to be transportable, number one. I want to have a warm, dry place to eat, sleep, recharge, and edit as I move around. A home base to explore the backcountry from. I call this my millennial mansion. If you distill life down to the essentials, all you really need are 4 walls and a roof. A structure to protect you from the elements. And this has that. This has everything I need. This portable solar setup is the source of electricity to allow me to be off-grid. While it is awesome to get free energy from the sun, it really only is effective on the sunny days. For cooking, I use a simple 2-burner camp stove. I find it funny that most who live in tiny homes and vans head south as soon as the weather gets cold. If you build right and prepare, it is possible to live in a tiny home in winter, even in Canada. My goal with this was to make it livable in all 4 seasons. Another part of this design that I love is that the whole back wall is a door. I wanted the outside to meet the inside in this wide open space. Essentially there are 3 walls at the front, and the 4th wall I want it to completely open up so that on beautiful days like today you can enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the view, and the fresh air. It was definitely challenging to build because so much of this is non-traditional. The hardware store sells nominal sizes for everything, including doors, but this door is custom. All standard building sizes are too large for what I need. I don't need a package of 100, maybe I only need 1 or 2 of something. I had to be creative about how to make things work. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention I've installed a screen door, which just pulls straight across. That's a necessity for keeping mosquitoes out, while also maintaining this really nice doorway. which I got for free. So that's a bonus. Every detail is multifunctional. Like the under the bed storage, the mattress folds up so I can easily access what I need. Being able to hit the trails straight from my front door is another benefit. It's not perfect, but it's simple and straightforward. With this, I wanted to show that there are other ways of doing things out there, other methods, and it doesn't have to cost as much as expensive trailers and campers. Thank you for watching this video about my tiny house. I hope it inspires or motivates someone out there. I've just driven over 3,000 kilometers from the American-Canadian border at the bottom of BC all the way to the Yukon Territory, and I'm currently in Haines Junction, checking out some amazing mountains here. I'm picking raspberries to augment my diet of mostly craft dinner. So it would really help if you subscribed, and there'll be more videos about the tiny house in the future. So stay curious and look out for more videos coming soon.